Are you ready to bring the big screen experience into your living room? That's exactly what we're diving into today with Ultra Short Throw Projectors. These just aren't any projectors. They're a game changer in home entertainment. Imagine watching your favorite movies, sports, or playing games with a massive, crystal clear display. And all this from a device just a few inches away from your wall. Sounds impressive, right? Well, it gets even better. In this video, we're going to guide you through the best ultra short throw projectors on the market this year. We've put them to the test in real-life scenarios, from movie nights to gaming sessions, to find out which ones truly stand out. So whether you're a tech enthusiast, a movie lover, or just someone looking for the next level of home entertainment, you've come to the right place. We've got the insights, the comparisons, and yes, our top pick for the ultimate ultra short throw projector of the year. And as always, you can check pricing for any of these products in the description below. If I'm able to get any discounts or coupon codes, I'll include those for you as well. So, let's go ahead and get started. Number 7. LG SBeam HU915 QE. The LG SBeam HU915 QE is a relatively new addition to the world of UST projectors, and it's a fabulous one. But at $5,999, this is anything but a casual home theater purchase. You get plenty for the money here though. The HU915 QE's massive 90 to 120 inch picture is exceedingly bright and richly colorful. Even during daytime viewing, this projector is more than bright enough to create a pleasant picture. And just a little bit of ambient light control goes a long way in allowing it to display exceptional ones. With potent speakers, LG's handy WebOS Smart TV system, the convenience of the manual focus wheel, and an image that's hard to find many faults with, you're getting quite a lot for your money with the LG SBeam HU915 QE. Number 6. Samsung LSP9T Premier. Samsung's ultra short throw projector has an excellent collection of specs that guarantee a high-end home theater experience while also saving a bunch of space. That includes a 2800 lumen bulb that ensures images will be visible even in bright room conditions, a 4K resolution, up to 130-inch image size, and Samsung's own Hisense Smart TV platform for browsing apps and more. This ultra short throw projector also comes with 30-watt speakers. While the projector speakers aren't generally that impressive, we highly suggest getting a full sound system. These plus the built-in subwoofer are better than traditional TV speakers. It's also a smart projector with support for Alexa, Google Assistant, and Samsung's own Bixby voice assistant. So you don't have to get up to turn the projector on or search for a show with basic voice commands. Like many short throw projectors, Samsung's model is also fairly portable if you'd like to move it to different locations, and it doesn't require the same sort of calibration each time that other types of projectors may require. It's a complete package, although the price may deter some buyers. Number 5. Epson Epic Vision Ultra LS800. The Epson Epic Vision Ultra LS800 Ultra Short Throw Laser Projector is an impressive choice for its combination of high brightness at 4000 lumens and ultra short throw capabilities. Its sleek design, measuring at 27.4 by 6.2 by 13.4 inches, allows for convenient placement in various room sizes, requiring as little as 3.9 inches from the wall for a 100-inch image. While it uses Epson's 4K Pro UHD pixel shifting technology, it doesn't deliver full 4K resolution, but it still provides good image detail from normal viewing distances. The built-in 2.1 channel Yamaha audio system offers clear sound quality suitable for average-sized rooms. The projector also features Android TV 11 with Google Assistant for streaming and smart capabilities, although it lacks Netflix certification. The LS800 includes a low-input lag gaming port, making it a responsive choice for competitive gaming. In summary, the Epson Epic Vision Ultra LS800 is well-suited for a variety of uses, from everyday TV viewing to gaming, and its design is ideal for those with space constraints. Number 4. Nexigo Aurora Pro. The Nexigo Aurora Pro stands out as a game-changer in the world of home projectors. Its ultra short throw or UST technology, coupled with a stunning 4K resolution, brings a cinematic experience right into your living room. The tricolor laser projector, boasting an impressive 2400 lumens, offers bright and vivid imagery that is sure to captivate any audience. What sets the Nexigo Aurora Pro apart is the advanced features like dynamic laser dimming, which enhances the contrast and depth of the images, ensuring that each scene is as lifelike as possible. The support for Dolby Vision and Atmos, along with HDR10 and HLG, guarantees a rich, immersive audio experience. Whether you're watching high-octane action movies or just enjoying serene nature documentaries, the quality remains consistently exceptional. Another notable aspect is the active 3D support, which adds an extra dimension to your viewing experience. The projector's 60-watt speakers deliver a powerful, clear sound that eliminates the need for external audio systems in a typical home setting. The Nexigo Aurora Pro is not just a projector, it's a comprehensive entertainment system that offers an unparalleled viewing experience. Number 3. 4-Movie Theater 4K Ultra Short Throw Projector. The 4-Movie Theater 4K Ultra Short Throw Projector stands out for its excellent visual performance and quality audio system. With a brightness of 2800 ANSI lumens and an impressive color gamut coverage, it provides vibrant and accurate colors. The triple laser light source ensures a true 4K image, while the built-in speakers tuned by Bowers & Wilkins deliver an immersive audio experience with Dolby Atmos support. Its design is discreet, fitting well into most living spaces. Notable features include Android TV integration and various input options, though it lacks native Netflix support. While the fan noise can be a minor distraction, the overall performance makes it a competitive option in the Ultra Short Throw Projector market. Number 2. Hisense PX2 Pro. The Hisense PX2 Pro Trichroma Ultra Short Throw Home Theater Projector impresses us with its 4K UHD resolution and 24 ANSI lumen brightness, offering a vivid and sharp viewing experience. Its trichroma technology ensures exceptional color accuracy, enhancing the overall picture quality as a result. The inclusion of Dolby Vision and Atmos adds to an immersive audio experience as well. Additionally, the projector's Google TV integration provides convenient access to streaming services like Netflix. Ideal for home theaters, it projects large images from 90 to 130 inches with remarkable clarity and depth, making it a top choice for movie enthusiasts seeking high-quality ultra-short throw projectors. And coming in at number 1, AOC Vision LTV 3500 Pro UST Triple Laser TV Projector. The AOC Vision LTV 3500 Pro UST Triple Laser TV Projector is a game-changer in home entertainment. With its impressive 3500 lumen brightness, it delivers a TV-like viewing experience even in well-lit rooms. The 150-inch maximum screen size offers cinema-quality sharpness, making every movie night memorable. Its ultra-short throw capability really is the standout feature here, allowing for a massive display even in smaller spaces without any setup hassle. Furthermore, the projector's 4K 3D HDR10 Plus support brings visuals to life with stunning clarity and depth. The inclusion of Dolby Vision ensures that each scene is rendered with remarkable contrast and brightness. Another major plus is the inclusion of the Fire TV Stick 4K Max, providing seamless access to a plethora of streaming content. This projector effortlessly blends high-end technology with user convenience, making it a top choice for anyone looking to upgrade their home theater system. In conclusion, the AOC Vision LTV 3500 Pro UST projector exceeds expectations in terms of performance and quality. In combination of ultra-bright display, superior sharpness, and advanced features like Dolby Vision and 4K 3D HDR10 Plus compatibility makes it an excellent investment for home cinema enthusiasts. Whether it's for movies, gaming, or sports, this projector promises an immersive and vibrant viewing experience. And there you have it, our comprehensive roundup of the best ultra short throw projectors on the market. We've delved into some of the most impressive models, each one a powerhouse in transforming your living space into a dynamic entertainment hub. From the technological marvel of the AOC Vision LTV 3500 Pro to the elegantly designed Epson Epic Vision Ultra LS800, These projectors are more than just devices. They're your ticket to an unparalleled viewing experience. Remember, the right projector can elevate your movie nights, gaming adventures, and sports experiences to new heights. So take a moment to consider what fits best in your space and aligns with your entertainment aspirations. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and hit that subscribe button. Your support is incredibly valuable to us and fuels our passion to bring you the latest in tech innovations. Also, don't forget to check the description for the links to all the projectors we've covered, along with any special discounts or coupon codes we've secured for you. Got questions or want to share your thoughts on today's selection? We're eager to hear from you, so leave a comment below. Until our next video, keep aiming for the stars and projecting your dreams into reality. This is Legit Pick signing off. Stay curious and tech forward, my friends.